Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inserting Logic's compressor on the track or bus you want to control. Once inserted, make sure input levels peak around -6 dB so the compressor has headroom to work. Next, pick a mode, Studio for transparent control or Classic for colored squash, because the mode shapes character quickly. Set an initial ratio around 4:1 and drop the threshold until you see a few dB of gain reduction on loud parts. Make sure makeup gain compensates for level loss, so balance stays consistent. Once you have basic gain reduction, refine attack and release to sculpt tone. Use a fast attack of around 0.5 to 10 milliseconds to tame transients, but if you want punch, let attack breathe longer. Set release to match the tempo, or engage auto release so compression breathes with the material. Make sure release isn't too short, or you'll hear pumping. Adjust the knee to soften onset of compression, and use the mix knob for parallel compression when you need body without losing dynamics. You finish by placing compressors on buses for glue. Use lower ratios like 2:1 or 3:1 and slightly slower attacks so the mix breathes together, and watch cumulative gain reduction across inserts. For clarity, engage sidechain high pass so low frequencies don't overtrigger the compressor, and apply makeup gain sparingly to avoid clipping. If you hear pumping, lengthen the release or enable look ahead, and always bypass to compare the compressed sound to the dry signal before committing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.